normally do room tours, but I had to do one for this one, and I think you'll see why. But first, wash your feet, please. Come on in. So the first thing you'll notice is that the ceilings are really, really high. I think my apartment could be a double-decker in here. Got a little couch area, and then here a little sitting area, and here is the bed. And the bed doesn't just come with any kind of pillows. You can pick from a pillow menu. And I think tonight I'm going to try the Comfort Pillow Cloud. Here's the closet area, which as you can see is nice and spacious. You have a his and hers vanity with products by Ferragamo, and something that I'm really excited about, a toilet that opens when you approach it. And now for my favorite place, can you guess what it is? The outdoor shower. Look at this. The outdoor area is pretty self-explanatory, but look at this. There's not one, but two swings, two places to sit in the water, a giant pool, in the front, two hammocks. Just having a little floating breakfast, as one does, you know. It's been nice, but I've got to go swimming now. Bye!